make a dolphin. The first step, as we often do, we will roll our clay to form a ball. Then we will roll our ball by applying pressure one side of the ball until we have a narrow cone shape. Then we will take a small bit of clay and roll it into a shape of the dolphin's nose and attach it to the wide end of a cone. We attach the two flippers, one on each side of the cone. Then we attach the fin to the top of the cone just behind the flippers. And finally we attach the dolphin's tail. If it helps, you can find the template on my website. Let's get the children and start sculpting.
Hi guys, welcome back to CLAYDATE, and today we're going to create a dolphin.
What do we need is clay. We do have water-based clay. This is a low-fire clay. Also, we are using wooden tools, water if necessary, and we do have a slice of wood, so we can rotate the sculpture and we can see in every direction. Okay, so first we have to have a big ball of clay, all right? And we're going to pull off a half, okay, like usually, yes. So we're going to roll a nice ball, okay, nice ball. Right.
Okay, got the ball.
Got the ball?
Yep.
Got the ball? All right. So what we have to do, we roll between our hands a nice long cylinder shape, okay?
We do this in a lot of our videos.
Yes. So if you want to, you can even roll on a surface, okay?
Oh yeah.
The main thing, it will be very nice and round, okay? Round. Nice.
Okay.
How about you? Right? A little bit longer, okay? So I'm shooting for this
I think
long, okay? How about you?
I'm just gonna pat it on a
Nice.
nice surface, just so I have nice, smooth, flat.
Nice, nice.
Okay. Just a little water.
Okay. All right. So, one end going to be round, okay? Round, nice and round. Now, I think I need a little bit more water because mine is going to crack.
I think this is the head.
That's going to be, yes, the head. Okay.
So just kind of
Nice and round.
kind of.
Just round it up, yeah, that's right. Smooth. Okay, nice smooth end. Okay, so the other end has to be pointy. So what we can do, just what we did with our snail video, we're going to roll right, so the right side, you know, outward. We're going to roll outward, okay? It does look like an icicle right now, okay? Or a carrot. I think the carrot would be a better, huh? It does look like a carrot. So yeah, we're shooting for this carrot shape, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you put it aside here. This will going to be our dolphin's body, okay? So that's going to be the central, not yet, but it will. Okay.
Okay.
So now we're going to make this a snout.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pointed. That's it's a nosy. Yeah. So we're going to create a ball.
Okay. Just gonna get.
And then we're going to roll between our hands, okay? So we're going to end it up with a teeny tiny round cylinder, okay, something like that.
That's
Good,
really
very good, Ryan. I need this cylinder, little teeny tiny cylinder shape, okay? Round, just like that. And then both end has to be round, okay? Both end has to be nice and round.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's done.
Nice and round. How about you, Ryan? Nice.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to attach to the front of the head, okay? So here. We push these two parts together.
I'm going to score it.
And then you push to the end of the dolphin's head, okay? And then you have, yes, you can score it so the two parts join together. Or what you can do is you just push together the two parts, like you see.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm scoring it and then squishing it onto the body.
Very good.
Water. Yeah.
Nice.
The water helps it get smooth.
And you just work the two parts together. Okay. Nicely. So this is how it looks like right now.
Okay.
It's yours. Very nice. Now, okay. So the dolphin has two flippers on each side. So we're going to create the flippers. Now,
this is probably the easiest.
Okay, so we pull off a chunk of clay again, and good old ways we roll a ball, okay? And then we're going to create a teeny tiny cylinder again. Roll between your hand, okay? So we ended up with a worm shape, kind of. Okay.
And then squish.
And then you put it on a surface, and then you just tap it with your tap with your pointy finger, okay? So we're going to attach the flippers closer to the head, okay? And then we're going to repeat the other side as well.
Okay.
You can attach the two parts by scoring the surface of the clay, okay? The two sides, which are going to attach with each other, okay?
I thought this project was going to be really hard, but it's actually really easy. I know.
And then we're going to score the flippers too, and then we just join together, okay? And then the flippers are the same size, okay? So the same size.
Okay. So we're done.
Alright, so this is how my little dolphin look like in this stage.
This is mine.
Nice. So what we're going to create is next is a fin. So the middle of the body, the dolphin has a fin. So this is.
Well, that's the dorsal.
Oh, okay. So what we're going to do is we roll a ball like we always, and we're going to flatten in our surface this ball. And we're going to cut off from this ball
a triangle.
A triangle, that's right. Good job, Emmy, good job. Okay.
Make sure it's a pretty
Triangle.
good size. I actually made a lot for just to make a triangle.
So just like that, okay. Nice triangle. And then what you can do is the top of that triangle can just bend it a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Just like that, using your pointy finger and your thumb. Just bend it a little bit, just like that.
Then a top.
Okay? And then you're going to attach it to the top of your dolphin, somewhere in the middle, okay? Now it's important to score again, because we have to glue together the two parts, okay? So let's go do that. Excellent. Okay. Okay, and the fin. Okay, everybody's ready with the fin? Okay. And the last step, we're going to create the tail, okay? So we grab a little ball of clay, okay? We create a ball and then roll between our hand that ball, okay? So we create again a teeny tiny cylinder shape, just like that. And then you put it on a surface, and then you're going to create a flat surface on each side.
Okay.
Okay. Then one side, it has to be pointy. Okay, one side is pointy. Good, very good.
And then you attach.
And then you're going to attach the end of the body, the tail, you see, just in one side, because we have to repeat the other side as well. Okay.
And then you repeat the same thing on the other side.
That's right. Just make sure the end of the tail is well attached to the body, okay? All right. Nice, beautiful. Make a nice flat surface. Point one end. And then the other end is going to attach to the dolphin's body. Just like that. Ooh, look at that!
I told them I'm looking at it.
And the eyes is going to be the middle of the head. So something like this, okay? There you go.
Okay, so this is mine, and this is mine.
And this is mine.
So we're gonna come back for the glazing.
That's right. So we're going to come back when our creation is fired in our electric kiln.
Hi guys, so it is successful frying with our dolphin. Today we're going to glaze it.
What do we need is glaze. We are going to use 3 colors, white, black, and blue. And also we are going to use brushes and water and a little sponge. So the dolphin's color is grayish blue. So I mixed the white, the black, and a little teeny tiny bit of blue together. And then I ended up with this beautiful bluish gray color. And I applied 3 coats on a sculpture surface. So we received a lot of positive feedback about this video from friends and family, so thank you so much. And then I would like to ask if you have any idea, you know, what would you like to do next time? You can always write me an email. You can find my contact email address on my website. And yeah, you are very welcome to write us any comments.
Okay, so we finished glazing our dolphin. This is mine. This is mine. And I really like how I did my eyes. Like they're really cool.
And that's my little dolphin.
So we're gonna come back with the slideshow with our dolphin pictures.
Yes, we cannot wait to see the end result. And thank you so much for watching. Please join us next time.
And please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.